Mudguard set fits 2014 to 2018 Silverado 1500, 2019 Silverado 1500 LD double cab, 2015 to 2019 Silverado 2500 HD, 3500 HD, not dually. 2019 Silverado 1500 LD is available in double cab only. The 1500 LD is a continuation of the 2014 to 2018 body style. Our mudguards are built to the maximum width for full tread coverage of factory tires. Durable, impact-resistant all-weather thermoplastic material. Top reviews from the United States. Easy install and they look great. You have to take your back tires off, other than that it was super easy. I'm not a fan of the mudguard look, but these are pretty nice. Haven't had them in the MN snow-packed winter yet, but for now I'd buy again. Fit perfect. I put these in my 2018 Silverado 1500. Used existing screws and went on easy. Would have had them on in half the time if I hadn't messed with the 3M tape that's supposed to go behind the mud flap. The mud flaps fit perfect and I would definitely recommend them.